Hi there, welcome again to another wonderful session with me. I am Destined Emmanuel, the CEO Destined Digital Concept, and this is Destined Digital Concept YouTube channel, the ultimate hub for digital innovations, where we teach you how to create, grow, and succeed in the digital space. And don't forget, if you are meeting us for the very first time, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any of our exciting tutorials, tip and hack in the tech space. In today's video, guys, we're going to be doing something very interesting. We are going to be learning how to develop an online banking website, a fully functional online banking website, without writing any line of code. Yeah, you got that right. No coding experience or coding skill is needed for what I will be teaching you in this tutorial. So by the end of this tutorial, you're going to be seeing and getting all the relevant knowledge and tools you'll be needing to create your own online banking website, whether you want to create for your clients or you want to do it for your own self. So this tutorial is a perfect one for you. So I will be holding you by the hand and teaching you step by step how to get your own online banking website design. So join me on my computer screen where we get started with this tutorial. Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful section again, still on the web designing course. And in the previous lesson, we were able to complete our e-commerce projects, and we've also done our blog project, our company website project, and so on and so forth. Now in this section, we're going to be developing an online banking website. So this is going to be a website that can handle all of the online banking transactions and features that you can think of, like sending of funds, depositing, withdraw, loans, visual cards, and so on and so forth. So these are websites that are usually lucrative for they are usually lucrative websites that you can do for your clients and get paid for it. And we're going to be doing these websites without writing any line of code. We're not going to be coding manually, just the way we'll be doing. This is a no coding web development course. All right, so don't be scared. We're not going to be writing any line of code. And within 40 minutes, we should be able to develop this website completely. All right, so this time around, we're not going to be using WordPress. We're going to be using a script. Okay, so there are different scripts that you can use to design an online banking website. I've done videos for some of them already, which I'm also going to be adding to this course. All right, so this is just one of the online banking tutorials. So there's also another one that you watch after now, so you can get to learn all of them together. So when you want to design for your client, depending on what your client wants, you can design anyone you want to, design for the client. So let's get started. Let me just walk you through on how the website is going to look like. So this is a pre-design of the website. This is how it's going to look like. You can see this is the online banking website, and the name of is Starway Bank. Okay, so here we have the About Us page. You can see that now this is the About Us page. So I'm going to teach you how to edit all of these things. Here we have the product page where the user can view their account details and so on and so forth. So we also have the contact us page where the user can send messages to us directly from the website. Then we have the access account. So this is where the user gets to log in their account. All right, so I'm just going to get one of the account number that is already registered and a password. So let me go to the database and just get one of the users there. Let's use this guy. And the password is 126. So Here we enter the account number, the password 12345 6. Then we'll continue. So the user is logging in now. Let's close. Okay. So this is the user dashboard. You can see it's looking very amazing. So it has almost it has very nice features. So you can see the display is very awesome. It has the light mode and dark mode, so we can switch to dark mode. Let's switch to dark mode and see. Yeah, click on the name here, then here enable dark mode. You can see the dark mode is looking really nice and very amazing. Okay, so here's the dark mode. Then let's just explore some things on the website before we go start building our own. So here a user can deposit. So let's say we want to make some deposit now. User can click here, deposit. So the users will be depositing in cryptocurrencies. All right, so we want to deposit to this service account, and the amount to deposit, let's say, is depositing $50,000. $50,000. Then here the user can now upload, let's say, a receipt after the deposit. Let's see. Then submit check. So this is a check. So the user is depositing with check, and you can see the deposit was successful. That's for the check deposit. But you see the amount has not been added to the user's user balance right now. This is because it's currently being processed. So the admin will now receive a notification, and after receiving that notification, the admin will approve it. Okay, so once it's approved, then it will now add to the balance. All right, so we can also deposit with cryptocurrency. That one we just did just now is check deposit. So you can see deposit check here. So this deposit check. Let's go to cryptocurrency. You can see cryptocurrency here. Then let's deposit some cryptocurrency. So here we're going to choose the assets we want to deposit, the cryptocurrencies that you are going to allow from your admin end. Then so this is the cryptocurrency we'll be allowing from. So let's select Bitcoin. Now let's enter the amount we want to deposit. Let's say we want to deposit $50,000. Then we'll continue. So here we're going to see the Bitcoin wallet here. Then the QR code was not uploaded by the admin, so that's why it's blank here. So we can copy the QR. The user copies the wallet address, then goes to make deposit, and after that confirm transaction. So the admin will also receive a notification that some transactions have been made, and the admin will confirm the transaction. Alright, so I'll also take you through the admin dashboard and see how it looks. So these are the deposit preview. Alright, so you can see they are pending, currently pending. This is the one we just made, and it's pending. So other things we may want to check: account summary, send money. User can transfer from their account, can send money from their account. Let's say send money, they can send to same bank, other banks, and so on and so forth. So let's say the user wants to send to another bank, another different bank. So here you enter the amount you want to send, continue. So you can see the transaction is processing now. You can see that. So it's going to count like this. Check, make all the necessary checks, and accept the transaction. It's telling us BVT is required. So BVT is a code that the user is going to receive on their email. All right. So right now I don't know the correct BVT for this one, but let me just use anything and verify and see. Okay, that's the correct BVT. So valid BVT, then okay. So at this point now, the admin have received the transaction. All right. So other things we can also check on the user's page. This is the visual card. So your customers, your users get to apply for a visual card. So yeah, a user can click request for a new visual card. So let's see. Is the email account, address, and so on and so forth. So the user can request Master, Visa, or Discover. So let's request a MasterCard. Let's accept all of these, then we apply. Something needs to be filled here. Select security question. Let's just enter anything here. Then let's apply. So after applying, the admin is going to receive the notification. Alright, so we have applied already. Then we can go back. You can see here's our visual card, and you can see it's a MasterCard. You see everything is working very perfect and looking so amazing. So user can also apply for a loan, request support, do their KYC status, and so on and so forth. So let's check out the admin dashboard. So here's the admin dashboard. I'm already logged in, so you can see. So here the admin gets to see all the recent transactions that has been made. Let's see, these are the transactions that we've made, the 2 transactions we made just now. This one is the local transfer, so it's already completed. Now this is the wallet deposit. This is the check deposit. You can see check deposit. So let's see how we can approve it, so the amount will be added to the customer's balance. Just click on edit, then we'll look for status. Let's make it complete, then we update. So now that we have accept the transaction, let's go check the user dashboard and see if that amount has been added to this balance. Let's reload. Seems it's not added yet. Let's check the recent transactions and see. It has been added already. Yeah, it has been added. We made some withdrawal, that's why the amount is reducing. Okay. So, and from this admin dashboard, an admin can also deposit funds to a user account. So here, let's see check deposit here. This one is still pending. So the first one we check was crypto deposit. This one is the check deposit. Let's approve this transaction. So you can just click here, approve, then approve. So this is going to send a mail to the user. So it has been approved. Now let's check the dashboard, the user dashboard, and see if it has been credited to the user. You can see the user has been credited. You can see that now. So you see that's working. Then visual cards. Let's see the visual cards that the user requested. So you can see this is the visual card the user requested. Is currently pending. Let's approve it. So click approve. So the visual card is activated now. The user can now make use of it. Then let's see KYC status, KYC application. No KYC application for now. Then when we scroll down, we're going to see other things here. Authentication code management, and so on and so forth, changing of the favicon, and so on and so forth. So how do we get this website running just the way this one is working now? How do we design our own? So we are not using WordPress this time around. This is not a WordPress website. This is a PHP website, and this website is already designed. All we just need to do is to get the script and install the script we'll be using for this website. So I'm going to log into my cPanel now. Before you get this website running, you have to have a domain name and a hosting panel, a cPanel. So if you do not have that, you can just message me on WhatsApp and we'll get that done for you. For the students who have been following, I believe you already have that set already. So what we're going to do, we're going to log into our cPanel. Let me log into my cPanel now and get started. So I'm using Destined Digital /cPanel. Then let's get my cPanel login details from my email account. So this is my cPanel login details. I paste the username, then the password, copy the password, then I'm going to paste the password here, then I'll log in. So like as we've been doing on the course, if you want the website to be installed, to be the main website on your domain, you just install it directly. But for me, I want it to be in a sub domain, so I'm going to be creating a subdomain for this, because we're also going to be having other projects on this server. So to create a subdomain like we already did in the previous session, we'll just go to domain, go to the domain section, go to domain. Remember, if this is what you want on your website, you don't need a subdomain, just install it direct and you are good to go. Click on create. Then I want to create bank dots .com.ng. So after that, I'll click on submit. So my subdomain is created now. I'll go back to my cPanel home page. From my cPanel home page, I'll navigate to file manager. Then from my file manager, I'll go to public_html. Then yeah, I'm going to see that subdomain I just created. This is it. So if we open this subdomain now on my browser, we are not going to see anything. It's going to display a 404 error for us. So inside this folder here is where we're going to be uploading our script. Okay, so to get this script we'll be using, just send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll be delivering to you the script. The link to the script will be on the description of this video. You can just message me on WhatsApp and I'll be giving you access to this script. This script is not free, one of those WordPress plugin you can just get from anywhere. These are premium scripts. Okay, so if you need this script, just message me on WhatsApp. I'm going to be giving you access to the script. So let's see the script file. So my desktop here, I have the script file. This is it. Starway Bank. Okay, that's the name of the file. All right. Now, if we open this file, I already have it exported here. In here, we're going to see all the banking, all the files here we need. All right. So these are the files. So what we just need to do is to upload this file here to our cPanel. All right, so just upload it directly to your cPanel. So to do that, we're just going to go to back to our cPanel. Then I've already opened the folder. Click on upload. Then I'll just drag and drop the script here. Drag and drop it here. They will just give it some few time to upload. So it's going to count down to 100%. All right, so you can see it's counting 10% and so on and so forth. So let's just give it a few time to upload. Now notice, when uploading a file or working on your cPanel, you need to have a very good network, otherwise your work is going to be slow. So ensure that once you are on your cPanel like this, your network is very okay and very nice. So let's just give this a while. So as you can see now, my script is uploaded. Once you see this bar turns to green, it means the script is uploaded. So from here, we click on back to our file manager. Then this is the script file here. You can see it. So what we just need to do is to right click on this file. Then we click on extract. So we extract the file. So the file is extracted now. Let's reload the file. It's giving us something else. Seems I extracted the wrong file. This one is not the correct one. This is another banking script that I uploaded. This is another banking script. Let me check. I think I uploaded the wrong file. Seems I have uploaded the wrong file. Let me see. Yeah, that was the wrong file. That was the wrong one. So this is the correct one. Let me export it again. So I'll just open it. So I'm going to take note of this and make sure you are getting the correct file. Then I'll send it. So I'm compressing it again so we can upload the correct one now. That one we uploaded is also in another banking script, but that's not the one we use for this course. So guys, I've compressed the file again. Now let me rename it. I call it Starway. Is it? Rename. So this is the script. Let me move it to something to be easily accessible. So here's it. Now I'm going to go back to my cPanel and delete all of these guys I uploaded before. So just select all, then delete. I don't want to keep them in the trash. Skip, then I'll confirm. So after that they have been deleted. I'm going to upload this new one now. Then here is it. Drag it and drop it here for it to upload. Just give it some few time to complete the upload. Yeah, so I've re-uploaded it now. Let's see. Close this guy. Release it. Let's extract. Then let's reload. Yeah, so this is the correct files we just uploaded. So after uploading these files like this, you are going to delete the zip file you uploaded, or you can leave it, but I like deleting mine because it's going to occupy some space in my server. So everything is uploaded now. The next thing we're going to do, if we enter this website, it's not going to work. All right, so let's see. This is my website. It's bank dot, sorry, didn't do that correctly, .com.ng. Let's see. It's going to give us a database error. You see, it's not giving us anything. Okay, supposed not to. Let me see if I'm doing the correct thing though. Oh, just messed up again, but it's not a problem. I have mistakenly uploaded the files to this folder here. Yeah, so what I will need to do, I will need to copy them from this folder and move them to the main folder. So open it. The files are supposed to be here. Let me delete this one we uploaded the first time. So the files are now inside this bacontrader.net. So I'm going to open this folder, select all the files. So just click on select all, right click, click on move. Then I want to move them out of this folder to the main place where they should be, and move file. So they has been moved now. Let's see. So they are now in the main folder, and this folder I don't need it, I'll delete it. So anything you don't need, just make sure you are deleting it. That's why it's giving me those confusions. So now the files are here now. Let's reload our page. So it's not going to give us this 404 again. So here we go. Let's enter this security code. Verification successful. So this is our website. Let's try to log in an account and see. This should not be able to log in. Okay, the reason it's showing this is because we have not installed the database. It shouldn't have even worked at all, but it seems the script was not programmed that way. So to install the database, let me show you how to get the database file. Inside the files you uploaded, you're going to see this table called database. Open the table. Then you see this file here. This is the database file. Alright. Then just download it. After downloading it, go back to your cPanel home page. Then migrate to where you have database, manage my databases. Okay, manage my database. So we want to create a database now. This is how we create database. Here you enter the name of the database. Let's call it bank. They will create. Go back. After creating a database, we're going to create a user for the database. So we scroll down here, we see here add new user. So let's just add let the user be bank. Then the password, we're going to generate a strong password. So this is the password, copy it, then click I have copied my password, click use password. Then let's keep this password somewhere. So I'm going to keep it into my notepad. So paste it here. That's my password. So after that, create user. Scroll down, go back. Then we're going to assign that user we just created to this new database. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So here is the user. Okay, you just scroll down to where you see add user to database. And this is the user and this is the database. So we just click on add. Then here we click all privileges. So we assign all privileges to this user. Then we make changes. So our database has been created. The next thing we need to do now is to now upload that database we downloaded which is this guy here. This guy, we want to upload it to our new database we just created. So just go to my cPanel homepage, click on tools, then we scroll down to database, then we go to phpMyAdmin. So here we are going to look for that database we just created. Waiting for it to load the database page. So here is it. This is the database, Destined Bank. Okay, so we'll click on it. Then after this, we are going to upload this database. So just click on import database. Click on import here. We're going to select the database file. This is the database file. Then we click on open. We'll scroll down. Then we import. So we're just going to wait for it to import the database. So the database is still importing. So this might take a few time depending on the size of the database. But this database is not so large, it's not going to take much time. Okay, so you can see import has successfully been finished. 121 queries executed. So this is our database now. If we click here, we're going to see all the tables in the database. These are the tables, the account name, authentication code, and so on and so forth. So the next thing we need to do now is to connect this database to our website. Okay, so to do that, we'll go to our file manager where we have our website file. This is it. I have it inside bank. Then in this section here, we are going to move over to, we'll scroll to my account. Scroll to my account. Then in my account, we are going to see script. Yeah, we'll see script here. Then in script, we should see config. Connect, sorry. Yeah, connect PHP. So here we edit this file, this PHP file. Then this is our database connection credentials. Here we're going to enter the database user. So the user, let's go collect the user, manage database, scroll down. So these are database user. You can see it here, Destined_bank. So just copy this guy. We'll replace it here. Now remember the database name. Here is where we have the database name, DB name. So it's the same thing as the username. Remember. Then the password is that password we kept in our notepad. So let's copy the password. Here is it. Then we'll paste it here. Paste here. After that, we are going to save. Seems something is wrong here. Okay, let's save changes. Then after that, our website should be working normally now. Wow, so it seems we have an error. Seems we are having an error here. So let's see. It seems okay. Wow. Let's reload. Okay, we're having a server error. Something is wrong, and it should be on this database connection here. But to be sure, let's make our server to display the error so we can know where exactly the error is coming from. Because as you can see, no error is displayed now. So to do that, we're going to go back to our cPanel home page. Let me teach you how to display your website error so you can debug where the error is coming from. Just scroll down to where you have PHP INI editor. So click here, multi-PHP inner editor. Then select the domain name here. This is the one we're working with. Then click on display error. It's currently disabled, so here you enable it. Scroll down, apply changes. So this should be able to display our error. So let's reload our page now. So you can see where the error is coming from. Let's see, syntax error, double quotation mark. Okay, in connect.php line 4. So let's go to connect.php line 4. It said we're having a double quotation mark, and there is no double quotation mark here. Okay, it's because we're having this dollar sign here. Yeah, that's a problem. You shouldn't be having a dollar sign in a PHP variable. So what this means is that we have to go and change our database password to one that will not be having that dollar sign, because the one that we generated is having the dollar sign, and this dollar sign is giving us this issue. Okay, so just in case you are having issues like this, just know how to resolve it, because this thing like this, if you are not experienced, you might spend weeks, even months, trying to make this whole thing work. You may even think the script is not working. Meanwhile, it's just this thing that is giving us issue. Now I have removed it. Now let's make changes and see if it's going to work. It's not going to display this error again, but our database will not be connected. Let's see. So you can see access denied for our database. You can see access has been denied for our database. It means our database connection was not successful. So we have to go and change the password to one that will not be having that dollar sign. Right? So to do that, we just go back to our cPanel home page. Go to home page. Then we'll scroll down to where we have manage my database. Manage my database. We'll scroll down to users. Yeah, this is the user. Then on the user here, this is the user, Destined Bank. This is the user. Then here we click change password. So let's generate another password. But we are going to check now if it has dollar sign. Okay, this one is not having a dollar sign, so it means we can use this one. So take notes. Any password that is being generated for you, check if it has a dollar sign. If it has a dollar sign, just click generate password to generate another one. So I've generated another one and it's not having a dollar sign, so it means we can use this one. I've copied it now. Let's click I've copied, use, then change password. So the password has been changed now. So I'm going to copy this new password that I just changed, go to my connect file, then replace it with this one here that is not working. So I'll paste it here, save changes. I'll go back to my website, I reload my page, and you can see my website is back. Okay, so this is how to resolve that, and we have an online banking now working perfectly. So how do we now log in? Let's try to log into our admin dashboard. So to do that, we just come over here, click, remove this home.php, then it should be my account /admin. Okay, so here we can now log into our admin page. Now the next thing we want to do, how do we get our admin page or our admin login details? Because there is no link to register a new admin. What we need to do, we'll go to our database. So this is our database table. Then look for the users table. You can see here we have users table. Open it. Just open it. Then here you can see this one that has the username of admin. Then to be sure, just scroll to this end and check the row. So let's see the row. Where is the role now? The role is either a user or an admin. I can't see the role now, but Never mind. Well, I know there is right, I just don't have time to check for it. So here you just copy this email. This is the email. Then you paste it here. Check the password. Copy the password. This is the password 126. Paste it here. Then continue. So you can see we have our admin dashboard logged in successfully. So this is how we log into our admin dashboard, and you can see within few minutes we have been able to install our script and everything is working perfectly. So let's take a look at the user dashboard. Let's ensure that the user can also log in. We have been able to log in the admin. Let's ensure that the user can also log in. So let's open a new page. Let's enter our website now. It's bank.com.ng. It's not going to display. Let me copy it, paste it here, and let's go. So I'll enter this 49. So here I'll click on access account. So if it's a new user, the user clicks on enroll for online banking. So the user will just create an online banking account here, accept the the terms and conditions. Then a form will display. There is a network error now. The user just fills the form and applies, but we just want to log into an already existing user. So let's go back to our database and check for an already existing user. So to log in, we'll be logging with the account number. So let's look for an account number of an already existing user. So let's use this guy. Let's use this guy's account number. Then the password, I think, is 123456. Let's continue. So you can see the user is logged in now. Yeah, is it? So it means that everything is working as expected, working perfectly. All right. So everything is working very perfect. So we can now close all of these files we have here. Let's close them. Close them. Okay. Close them. Now we can now start editing our website. So if we take a look at the front end now, let's see the front end of our website. Let's see the front end. 125304. So this is the front end. What we need to do now is that we're going to start changing this logo. We'll remove this logo, we'll put our own logo. Any of these tests that we don't want, we just edit the test, put in our own test. All of these guys here, if we don't want any of them, we just edit them, change the text. We can change these images, change everything, and within a few minutes we should have our website edited. So let's get started. How do we edit this logo here? So to do that, we're just going to go to our admin dashboard. On our admin dashboard, we scroll down to where we have logo and favicon. Click on it. Then here you can see the Starway logo here. So we want to change this Starway logo to our own logo. To do that, let me just click on choose logo. Let's use Destined Digital logo. Click on it here. Then let's use this logo. Okay, yeah, let's use this one. Open. Then we update. So after that, the logo should be updated now. So it's going to reload the page and we should have a new logo. So it seems the logo was not updated. Let's check the front end and see. So the logo was not updated. Let's try again with a different logo. Let's try that with a different logo. Let's use this one here. Let's use this one and see if it's going to update. So one of the reasons it may not update is the server trying to store the memory of the website. So it's not updating now. Now this is what we are going to do. Since it's not updating, we are going to now look for the root, the location of this logo file. So to do that, just right click on the logo, copy the URL, paste it in a new tab. Then we can see that the name of the logo file is logo.png and is located in the folder my account. So what we're going to do, we'll go to our server again, our cPanel. Then we are going to upload it manually. Since we are trying to upload it from the dashboard, it's not working. We'll go to our file manager. Then we'll go to public_html. These are websites. Now remember, the logo is located in my account, inside my account folder. So we'll go to my account folder. This is it, my account folder. Then here we should be able to see that logo. So here is the logo. Yeah, this is it, logo_html, logo.png, sorry. So if we view this logo now, let's see. Wow, so the one we uploaded has actually been uploaded. This is it. It has been uploaded. So there's no need. What we just need to do, we just need to log in and log out again. After time, the system is going to forget this one. This is cache. Okay, our browser is trying to store the cache. If we open this in a new tab now, in a new browser, let's see it in a new browser. This is another browser. You're going to see that it has changed. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that now. So you see we have the new logo. It means it has changed. Then there's no need of us trying to do it from the dashboard. So after time, it's going to clear off. This is just the browser saving your cache memory. All right, so this one is going to clear off. This is not the real logo again. So the next thing we want to update is the favicon logo. So this favicon logo here, we want to change it. So scroll down to favicon logo. This is the favicon logo. Then let's change it. So we're just going to do the same way we change the normal logo. Let's change it here. Click on this, update. So the favicon logo has been updated now, but it's still not displaying here. So let's go check it out on. It should be displayed here. Okay. So after updating all that, the next thing we're going to update is we're going to set up our email configuration so that we can send emails to users. Okay, so to do that, we just on this section here, we'll scroll down to where we have email and SMS configuration. So if we do not do this, our clients will not be receiving emails. Take note, you must configure this email, otherwise your clients will not be receiving emails in their email. So when a new user registered, they are supposed to receive their bank account to their email. But if you do not set this up, you're not going to be receiving. So the first thing we can see here is SMTP host. So I'm going to be showing you all of these things one after the other. We have the host, we have the username, we have the passwords, and so on and so forth. So this is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to be creating a new email account for this project. Okay, so to do that, we go back to our cPanel. Remember I taught you how to create a webmail. Just go to the cPanel, then we scroll to email account. Here is email account. Then let's create a new email. So we'll click on create here. We'll call this, let's call this admin, or let's call it bank admin. Then the password, let's generate a password, copy the password, then we can save it somewhere, paste, then let's create. So to now connect this email now to our website, what we need to do, we click on connect devices here. You can see this here. Click on connect devices. Then after that, scroll down to where you have this box here, this table here. Then you can see this is our email username. So we're just going to copy this as a username. Then we'll go to our dashboard. You can see username here. Alright, we'll paste it here. Go back again. We have host. So this is our host, outgoing server. This is the host. Okay, take note. This is our host. Paste it here in host. Then we have password. The password, we saved it in our notepad. So here's the password. Copy it, paste it here. Then leave every other thing the same way. Then the name to display, who is the sender. So what's the name of our website now? It's currently Starway. So let's call it Destined Bank. Okay, so after that we update. So after having done this now, our website should be able to send emails to users. So let's try that out and see if it's actually sending email. On our dashboard here, we should see send email here. This is it, send email. Then let's enter an email. Let's send an email to my own email. Let's call this testing email. Then the message, let's say we are testing the email function for our online banking, right? Then yeah, let's click on send email. It's telling us message feed cannot be empty. Well, why? A message feed is not empty. Let's send again. Okay, so email sent successfully. You can see that now. So our email has been sent successfully. So it means that our email has been configured. So how do we know that this email was really sent? Let me go to the email box and open it so you can see. So let's go to mail. So since it's just a new email that we just created, chances are that the email is going to be delivered to our spam box. So let's check our spam box. Go to spam. Then you can see we have it here. All right, so we have it here. This is the email template. So we can now report as not spam. Okay, so from here now we can now see it in our main dashboard. So this is the email. We are testing our email function from our online banking website. So you can see everything looks very amazing. All right, so the next thing we need to update is going to be our site name, because as you can see on our front end, let's open the front end, everything is displaying Starway. The current name of the website is Starway. So let's change the name of the website. We'll go to our admin dashboard. Then we'll scroll down to where we have general settings. Scroll down to where we have general settings. Then here, change the base URL to your own website URL. So let me copy my website URL. This is it. Then I'll paste it here. Remove this guy. Okay. So this is my base URL. Then the name of the site, let's change it to Destined Banking. Then the short name of the bank, just the way we have for instance United Bank for Africa, that's the full name. Then the short name is UBA. All right, so just something like that. So let's use DB or DD Bank, Destined Digital Bank. Then the email of the bank is that email we created just now. Let's just copy it. This is the email. So you can use any email actually, but note that this is the email you'll be receiving your notifications to. So your default currency, you can see different country currencies here. They are very much. We even have Nigerian naira here. You can see that. Okay, so let's change it to US dollars, or you can use naira, anything you want to use. Phone number, this is the bank phone number. Base country, where is the bank based in? Okay, disable bot blocker. So this is used for security purposes when you don't want bots on your website. So you have to enable this thing to ensure that your website is secure, so avoid hacking and others. Then the default dashboard theme, we can leave it at light. Then the site description. So now it's showing Starway here. Let's change it to Destined Bank. So you can use any name you want to use, Destined Bank. Then the site address, these are the banking address. This address is also going to be shown in your email. For instance, the email we received, let's check it out. This is the email we received. You can see the address here. You can see it. Okay, you can see the short name here. So ensure you change that to what you want. Then the IMF. So every other thing you can just leave them blank, but just ensure you check for where it is showing Starway, you change it to your own banking name. So these are code verifications. All right, code verification. So after that, these the BT, boot, and so on other. So you can change all of these codes. So after that, we just click on update. So once we update it now, you can see here our website is showing Starway. Now let's reload and see what is going to show. So you can see it's now showing Destined Banking. All right, so that's it. Then the next thing we want to set up is our account details, our cryptocurrency account details. So how do we set up our cryptocurrency account details? On the dashboard here, we scroll down to where we have cryptocurrency, then click on manage cryptocurrency management. So you can see these are different cryptocurrencies. So you can disable and enable some of them. For instance, Tron is enabled, Ripple is enabled. Let's say we don't want Ripple, we disable it. Disable Ripple. Then let's say we don't want Bitcoin Cash. So we don't want Stellar, we disable Stellar. So you just enable the ones you want and disable the ones you don't want. Is that easy? So let's set the address. So just click on update address here. So you can see here you can enter your Tron address, your Tron wallet address. So let's say this is my Tron wallet address. You just copy it from your Tron wallet and paste. Ensure you are copying the correct address. So Tron has been updated. Let's update Ripple. Let's call this Ripple. Then this is our Ripple address. Let's update Litecoin. This is Litecoin. We'll replace it with our new address. Update. Let's update. So you just update all of them as you want. Okay, so those stuff has been updated now. Every other thing, those are the main editing we need to do on our website. Okay, so those are the main things we need to do. Then also this authentication code number, you can also change their name. The first code is IMF. You can change it to maybe OTP, VTA, anything you want to change it to, you understand? So you can just do all that. Then let's check on miscellaneous. There's nothing on miscellaneous to update. Here you just enter your bank details and you're good to go. So having done all that, our website is ready for use. Let's take a look at the front end again. So this is the front end. Let's do some editing on the front end. So on this front end here, to edit the front end, let's say for instance, I don't want this read time notification. I want to write something here. All you just need to do, know the page that you want to edit. This is home.php. all right, this is home.php page. So you go to the file manager, then you look for that file called home.php. Scroll down, here is it, home.php. Edit the file. Then let's say we want to change read time notification. We want to change it to something else. So just copy the text you want to change, then go to the file you just opened. If you are good with front end development and modification, you can edit all of these things by yourself. They're not difficult, but for beginners, those that are not too strong, just right click. Once you open the file, press Ctrl F to find that thing, then paste what you copied. So you can see it here. You can see it here now. So let's change it to email notification on all transactions. So let's see what else we want to edit on this page. Let's say we want to edit your customer says informed, read time, and others. So if we want to change this, just copy this. We go over to the page, we'll find it. So you can see this is it here. So we'll just edit it. Let's edit. Let's say we give you read time updates on activities on your account and full control of your banking activities, or from your mobile device. So after you are done editing everything you want to edit, you just click here, save changes. Click save changes, and let's go and reload the page now and see. So you can see everything has been changed. So you see, this is what we wrote earlier. Now how do you change this image, just in case you want to? So it's very easy. All you just need to do, right click on the image, copy the image URL, paste it on your browser, then see the name of the image and the location of the image. So you can see the image is located in images, and the name of the image is typing.jpg. So there are actually two ways you can change this image. So let's download the image we want to change it to. Let me show you the two ways you can change it. Let's use let's search for an image. Let's search for an image like woman in the bank. Click on images. So let's search for, let's use we'll use this guy here. Okay, this one is cool. Let's save this image. So the first method is this. We are going to save this image with the exact name of this other one, of the one we want to replace, of the one we want to change. So take note, the name is typing.jpg. So we are going to save this one now with that exact name. So we'll just click on save, then call it typing. The type is already JPEG. Okay, so click on save. Now you can see we have the name typing.jpg. Then we go to where the image is located. It's located in the images folder. So let's go to images folder now. Scroll up. This is the images folder. Then in here, this is the file. Okay, Then we are going to delete this one and upload a new one, okay? Or you can just upload the new one, then you use it to override the previous one. So let's upload the new one. So this is the new one. Now you can see it's telling us the following file already exists on the server directory. Do you want to continue the upload and overwrite these files? So you are going to click yes. So what will happen is that this new one now has overridden that previous one. So if we reload the page now, we should now see the new file, the new image. Well, we are not seeing it. This my browser is storing cache. So if you don't want issues like this, just go to your browser and clear cache from your browser, bro. I don't want to go through all that. So let's preview this from another browser. So this is the second browser. Let's reload this page. So let's scroll down and see if the image has been changed. Well, even this one too is storing cache. Okay, let's use another browser, or we can do guest mode. So let's open guest profile and do this. So guest profile will not store cache. So let's see, we'll scroll down. So you can see the new image, right? So this is the image. You can see that now. This is the new image we upload. So that's how you upload images. That's how you modify all these images. So I promise I'm going to show you two methods you can do that, and I've just shown you one. So what is the second method? Let's change this guy now to another image. So let's search for, this time let's use man in the bank. So let's use this one. So let's save the image. Save the image. So let's use a name that we can easily recall. Let's just use any name. Okay, let's call it man in man. Let's just call it man. Okay, so the name is man.jpg. Then we're going to locate the location. We'll find the location of the image we want to change. Just the same way, we right click, copy image URL, we'll paste the URL so we can see. So it's located in this same place, and the name is collab.jpg. So we are not interested in the name. So we're just going to move over to our image folder. This is our image folder now. Then we'll click on upload. We upload that one we just got now, this man.jpg. Upload it here. So you see it's not telling us to overwrite anything, so we are good. Now after uploading it, remember that we are working on this home file, home.php, and we already have it open here. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we are now going to find the name of that image inside this code area. So we'll copy the name, this collab.jpg. We'll go to the code area, then we press Ctrl F, we paste the name here. So you can see this is the name now. So we are now going to change this name to the name of the new image that we just uploaded. So the new one is man. Then we save. So after saving, if we reload our page now, it should now give us man.jpg. So you can see it now. Yeah, you can see it. It's man.jpg. And do you notice something, guys? This one that we did from the code changed instantly, but this one that we override did not change instantly. So that's nothing though. That's just the browser trying to do its thing. So that's how you change all the images and all the text and everything on the front end. Okay, that's how you do that on the front end. So everything is prone to editing. So you just edit them one after the other. You can change all of these things you see here. You can change all of them and so on and so forth. So after that, our online banking website is ready and it's ready to go. You just do that for the home page, the about page, the product page, ensure that everything you are editing is in line with each other. Okay, so you don't go and conflict your users. So let's try to create a new account and see. So to register a new user account, let's try that. We'll click on access account, then here we'll click on enroll for online banking. We'll scroll down, we'll accept. So here is the registration form. So here we're just going to enter names, we'll just fill them randomly. Okay, select a state, select date. Date of birth, we'll just enter any date of birth. Email, let's enter my email address, the correct email address so we can receive. So let's say self-employed, salary per annual, account type, savings, account currency, dollar, pin 1234, then password 123456, 123456. Then we'll upload our passports. Let's use anything for passports. Then we'll submit. So we need to fill this part here. Let's use name 2. Let's submit. No thanks. So account has been created. Now let's go check our email to see our account number. So let me go and open my email now. So open my email. It should be on the spam box because this is just a new email we created. So here is it, email confirmation. So you can see these are the details. All right, so this is my online banking credentials, this is my account ID, which is also my account number, this is my secret code, so my password is 123. So let's log in and see. Okay, here's it now. Yeah, so here we enter the account number 12345 is the password, then we continue. Seems my password is not correct. 1234556. Let's continue. So it's saying my bank account is currently inactive, contact the admin. So it means my account has not been approved by the admin. So what we have to do is to log into the admin page, the admin section. We're already logged in. Then let's go to the user section, manage account. This is the account we just created. Then here we are going to approve account. So the account has been activated now. So let's go log in again, continue. So my account has been logged in now. Okay, you can see this is my new account. All right, so from here we just need to make deposit, withdraw, just the way we've done it in the introduction section. So I don't think there's any need to go back to that again. So the user can, the admin can fund a user account directly from the admin dashboard. To do that, the admin will just can select the user here, can send a message to the user, and I think it should be from, let's click here, transactions. Let's go to transactions. So here, fund an account. So the admin clicks fund an account. Then these are the accounts available. So this is the one, fund this user. So how much do we want to fund the user now? Let's fund these amounts credited. Select today's date, description, let's say welcoming funds. Let's see, frequency, we just want it once. Send email. Yes. Then we'll continue processing. Then confirm transaction. So that user has been funded. Now let's go check the user account. Reload. So you can see we now have 3 million US dollars in this account, and also we should have received an email as well. So you can see this is the email credit alert. So you can see this is the credit alert, and everything is working very amazing, guys. So the last thing I'm going to teach you how to do, which is very, very important and very, very vital, is how to change your admin password. So you can actually change it manually from your admin dashboard, or you change it from the database. So let's try changing it from the admin dashboard. So we just click on admin here, account settings, then this is the account name, the admin email. So here we change the admin email. Let's change it to, what do we change it to now? Let's just use that email we are using, which is this email here. Now note, this is going to be your login email. Once you change it, this is going to be the email you will use to log in. This is too long. Let me use something short. Then you update this. So after updating the password, you enter the old password. The old password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then let's enter a new password, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. So these are new password. Then we'll update. So our password has been updated. Now automatically it's going to log you out. Okay, so now we can now log in with the new credentials. At gmail.com. I've forgotten the password. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. I think this should be the password we used just now. Wow, I've forgotten the password. So let me go to the database and check the password. This is the database. Let's reload. Okay, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Or you can just copy it and come over here, paste it here. Then the email is this guy here, gmail.com. Then continue. So you can see we now have a new login details, a new email and a new password. So ensure that you always change that password so that other users cannot log in to your dashboard. And note, there is a current trend of scamming, of hacking on website like this. They will hack in and change your wallet address. So note, always protect your password. So that's all for the online banking website. I believe you're enjoying this lesson. So if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section and I'm going to be attending to your question. Now if you need this script, as you can see, this is a very amazing script. If you need this script, maybe you want to build a website for yourself like this, or you want to work for a client, just message me on WhatsApp. Also a link to the script will also be on the description of this video. Just check on that link, click on the link, and you're going to get access to the script. So have a nice time. See you. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. Subscribe so you can continue seeing amazing videos like this. Have a wonderful time. Welcome back, guys. So I believe you enjoyed that section and you have seen how easy it is to create your own online banking website using the script that was mentioned in the tutorial. So to get the script, the link is already on the description of this video. Just click on that link, then you're going to get access to the script that we are using for this tutorial. You can message me directly on WhatsApp and I'm going to give you access, like I said, to the script. Now if you need a domain name and a hosting plan for your website to get access to a cPanel, just visit destinedhost.com.ng, then make purchase. Or you can also message me on WhatsApp, and I or any of my team member will be attending to you. So if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button now and turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on our next video, because it's going to be very, very amazing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment on the comment section, and also share this video to a friend who will be needing it, and we'll be seeing you in our next tutorial. So for now, have a nice time, enjoy yourself, get the scripts, design your own online banking website, and let us all make success in the digital space. Have a nice time. See you in our next tutorial.